Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nkem and I am back with another hair tutorial for you guys. I'm going to show you guys how I style my crochet hair and also do a little bit of installation for you guys. Now this video is not to take your time on installation alone. I'm going to show you guys ways I style this hair to so you can also rock your crochet hair with different styles. Now the hair I'm going to use is from CrochetbraidsPlus. This hair is your Yankee twist hair. They sent me one pack, and in the pack it has 5 bundles. Okay guys, one thing I love about this crochet hair is the color. Man, the color is beautiful. Like, it is everything and more, guys. I love the color combination. It is giving, okay, it is giving what it is meant to give. Okay, and let's go right into the installation of this crochet hair. This is what it looked like on a closer look, and guys, this hair is lightweight. When I say this is lightweight, it is extremely lightweight. It is so soft. If you feel it there, oh my goodness, it is very, very lightweight, guys. Like, no joke at all. Okay, you need to touch this hair, you need to feel it. Okay, so let's just go right into this video. I'm going to start with braiding our hair, and after braiding our hair, I'm going to use my crochet hook to just tuck in the hair so everything will be in place, like nothing is going out, everything will be put together. And this is what I have after braiding our hair. This is what the loop of the crochet hair looks like. Okay, so I'm just going to start with this installation now. Just show you guys how to install the hair. This is not like, it's not difficult installing your crochet hair. You can do this yourself, or you can have somebody make it for you. And this hair, I'm going to leave all details to this crochet hair from CrochetbraidsPlus, okay, in my description box for you guys. I'm going to leave their link in the description box for you guys, and also their social media handles will be in my description box, and just everything you need to know about them will be in the description box for you guys. You guys will love this a lot. It is super soft and lightweight, like extremely lightweight, guys, no jokes. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It is so stretchy too, you guys can see. It is so stretchy and very, very lightweight. And after installing this hair, this is what it looks like, guys. I used all 5 packs, all 5 bundles that was sent to me. Like I said before, in a bundle it has 5, in a pack it has 5 bundles. So I used all the 5 bundles that was sent to me, and this is how full it is. This is how beautiful this hair is, guys. Like, I love this a lot. And here's the first style I did a couple of styles, guys. I think I did more than 4 styles. I'm just going to show you guys all of it. Okay, I did a couple of styles and just showing you guys ways you can also rock this crochet hair. Let it not just be boring like your normal side part if it's all going side part. No, you can do several styles with it, and just enjoy your crochet hair from CrochetbraidsPlus. All details will be down below, guys. Okay, now this is it for today's video. Hope you guys find this video helpful. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm just going to let you guys watch the styling, watch the styles I did with this crochet hair. Hopefully you might get a style or two you want to try when you get this hair from CrochetbraidsPlus and install it You might get a style or two you like to rock yours with. So these are the styles I did, and there are many more styles you can achieve with this hair, but for now this is what I have. Okay, these are the styles I have, guys. Okay, they are beautiful, they are gorgeous. The hair is lush. Okay, the hair is gorgeous. The hair is good. Okay, like I don't know what to use again, but this hair is good. Okay, it is everything and more. Okay, it is giving. Okay, you can rock this hair to anywhere, everywhere you want to go to. This hair, in fact, you guys, go grab yours now. Okay, this hairs will be in my description box, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
After what you did, 'cause you were the devil, you messed with my head, you lied to my mother, you lied to my friends, you said that you'd be there, but this never ends. Don't wake me up, not in this century. Don't wake me up, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. You're just a memory on my lips, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost. 'Cause you're just a ghost inside my head. 'Cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. 'Cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. You're just a memory on my lips. You're just a ghost inside my head. Oh, you're just a ghost inside my head.
It's all about how you were with my parents. Yeah, and changed their mind. 'Cause you were sweet and looking like you cared, boy. That was hard to find. I caught feelings, how could these feelings? I caught feelings, how could these feelings?